Hello kids, I hope today I am going to paint flowers. So let's start. I select the turquoise color to paint the sky. Then I select the green color to paint the leaves. After that, I select the red color to paint the flower. The second flower I paint with the pink color. Then I paint the third flower with the purple color. Then I select the yellow color to paint the medium part of all flower. And it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.